In front of me is CUBOT P40, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open list of all apps, reach the settings then, now locate and open display, and here click on wallpaper. Now you should pick the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be something from your live wallpapers, photos or wallpapers. Let me pick wallpapers album, and here you've got all the options. So let me show you all of the default wallpapers here. And blue as the last one. Then just select the one that you would like to apply to your device. Okay, so let me go back to the settings, display, wallpaper, wallpapers. So now just pick the one that you would like to apply. Maybe I will choose this one and then click on set wallpaper. Decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. I will pick both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen of your device. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.